This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Bill Lutz. Is this heaven? This fully furnished condominium is located in the highly desired Daytona Beach resort. This clean, bright getaway sleeps 4. Completely updated. Fresh paint, vinyl plank flooring, sleeper sofa west/memory foam mattress. The kitchen features new full-size stainless steel refrigerator and microwave, 2-burner cooktop, and more. Kitchen accessories, furniture, TV, furnishings, and bedding are included with the unit. This is a profitable vacation rental with 5-star ratings. This resort, considered one of Daytona's premier resort communities, has 2 outdoor pools, indoor pool, 0-entrance kiddie pool west/mushroom waterfalls, 2 hot tubs, sauna, fitness room, arcade, tiki bar, restaurant, private access to the beach. Walking distance to stores and restaurants. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill Lutz at 513-607-2015.